Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple Layout on this device. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in iOS Launcher. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Now select while using the app, choose Allow and click Home button. Over here you can choose iOS Launcher right away by tapping on it, choosing OK in the pop-up and tapping on Got it. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device, but you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications over here, tapping on Advanced and selecting Default Apps. So click. From here, tap on Home app and click on one of the available ones. I want to set up my usual launcher, so I will go with Quick Step. And as you can see, I have Android one on. If you wish to change to iOS one, go into the same settings and tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!